Hey coders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving a very popular LeetCode easy question. Check if array is sorted and rotated. This one checks you understand of array patterns. Let's break it down. So now we see you are given an array and you need to check if it's a sorted array that has been rotated some number of times. A sorted array means elements are in non-decreasing order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotation means you take some elements from the start and move them to the end. For example, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 is a rotation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how we check if the array is sorted and rotated? Here is the trick. We look for the number of drops, places where number I is greater than number I plus 1. Means after that number, a sorted array has 0 drops. A sorted but rotated array X has exactly 1 drop. If we find more than 1 drop, it's invalid. Like we see the example also. Like you see 3, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 2. We see that first we check 3 and 4. 3 is less than 4. Now second, 4 is less than 5. Now third, there is 1 drop because 5 is greater than 1. So, and now we check the next, 1 is less than 2. So there is only 1 drop. So it is valid. And now also we check the example 2 and 3, 4. So in first we check 2 and 1. Now as you see that 2 is 1. Now 2 is greater than 1. So there is 1 drop. And second 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3, no drop. 3 is less than 4, no drop. But 4 is less than 2. So second drop. 2 drops means not valid. This pattern works because rotation will only cause one point where order breaks. So now we solve this question on LeetCode. So as you see, first we initialize a variable count to track the number of drops. We loop through the array for each index I. Now after loop through, we compare nums I with nums I plus 1 percentile n. This handles the wrap around from the last element to the first. Okay. If we find nums I is greater than nums I plus 1, that means a drop. So we increment the count. Finally, we check if count is less than 1, less than equals to 1. If yes, returns true, else return false. This runs in 0 and time complexity and uses 0, 1 space complexity. So, and that's how you solve LeetCode 1752. Simple question, efficient and clean. If you learned something like this video, subscribe for more DSA content and drop a comment for the next question. Want notes or full explanation in text? DM me on Instagram or comment below. I will send it over. Until next time, keep grinding, keep going.